everyone. Welcome to the 51st Southern Alberta Bakers Association Charity Golf Tournament. We're excited to have you enjoy a round of golf, and we hope you enjoy dinner as well. Welcome, and looking forward to seeing you all.
All right, here we are, the 51st golf event from SABA. And we are half an hour away from tee off. And then you see all these carts. We're gonna scramble. Everybody goes to the hole, and then the fun starts. Right now,
Holes 5, 6, 7, 8 out to my left, and then holes 10, 11, 12, and 13 out to my right.
Yeah, one up there. Woo! Yeah, we're going to be inside today.
Play safe.
Always, yeah.
I know, eh?
How are you?
How is it going?
Good.
Good.
I think he knows you by now.
Yeah, you know, you
Stick
kind
it
of
out
think,
the
right?
time.
That's the one.
That's what I was trying to do.
It's on the food bank, right?
Yes. Yes.
Collecting money for the food bank.
And we're playing the game 21.
Oh, okay, that's what you guys play. Cool.
If they win, then they get a 50-50 tag. If they lose, they're on their own.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
That should be fun, eh?
I think it's going to be great. Great
You guys have a wonderful afternoon. Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Professional Canadian. Professional Canadian.
Okay, what do we got here? Whoa, hot dogs, eh?
It's not just any hot dog.
Oh, no, I can see that, eh?
Bacon and cheddar hot dogs. And we're
Whoa.
encouraging people to try it with bacon bits and maple syrup, which is what the Toronto Blue Jays are doing this year. Would you
Oh,
like to try one?
no, I had couple sausages there at lunch. I think I'm good.
Come back in an hour when you're hungry.
Yeah, I may do that actually. Well, it should be pretty popular today, eh?
I hope so.
Nice done. That's also beautiful. Come on, turn it a little bit.
Let him at least get some action
Yeah,
on
look
the
at that.
Oh yeah, hold on here. Is that a pancake throw or
Want the
something?
pancake on here.
Oh my God, eh? Yay! 27 years.
Wow.
And that's where I know him from.
Okay.
Because I used to bake products to show my customers in that bakery general area.
Sure.
He was always around giving me a hard time.
Oh yeah, right.
Chef background or product background?
I'm a baker.
Baker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So did you ever bake with any gluten-free flour in
No,
your
I
day or
haven't
not?
yet. No.
Yeah.
No. It sounds
More
interesting.
popular. We've had some contacts with SAIT today, so we're going to reach out to them because
Okay.
again, the catering department now, it's important that the kids and everybody that's studying kind of learns to cook with
Yeah.
the flours just as well as normal flours. It's
Yeah.
it's part of. Association Golf Tournament. It's been a really incredible good year. Almost a full house today, so thank you for coming. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Liz Kilmurray and I'll be your MC this evening. If I can ask our committee members to stand up, I have Austin here, Clayton, Chase, I'm here, Andreas over here, yeah. Joe over here as well, see. So these are all our most sincere condolences, and we're here for you, the whole industry is with the BAC. So a few words, and he's going to give us some updates on BAC and some exciting announcements. Thank you, Mark.
Good evening, big group. I'm Martin Vine, I'm a baker, and I'm Executive Director of the Baker Association of Canada. Next to my friend Boker, he's been around for a long time, so I'm in awe that he's standing next to me. I want to start by celebrating something remarkable. You guys, for 51 years, SABA has brought this room together on this golf course and around these tables, building friendships, mentorships, and a genuine community among Alberta's bakers. That kind of commitment, year after year, is exactly what makes our industry strong. On behalf of the Baking Association of Canada, we thank you. We are looking forward to continuing to work closely with the SABA committee in the years ahead. What you have built here is something BAC wants to learn from and support. Just a little bit of history. 30 years ago, before BAC National, there were thriving regional bakery production clubs in BC, Ontario, Manitoba, and SABA here in this province. Both will remember the Progressive Bakers Association, which existed before most of us were born.
Scott, if you guys can come over here to the podium, they're going to give us a few words as to what it means to be a recipient of the SABA Awards from SAIT. Thank you, guys.
Hello, we just wanted to say thank you to everyone who attended today and all of the sponsors and everything. We really appreciate all all of the proceeds going towards SAIT and helping to sponsor our education.
I don't even know what to say. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.
Let's make some noise. Thank you. And now we're going to ask Alan, Chef Alan.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Deborah Sequel, and I'm here from NAIT. I'm one of the recent graduates of NAIT's Baking and Pastry Arts class. First and foremost, I want to thank Southern Alberta Bakers Association for inviting me here. Thank you for all the sponsors who have been able to provide a scholarship for us students and for giving us this opportunity. It truly is an honor for me giving this this opportunity to receive the scholarship. Sure. Thank you. All right. Now with that, and Chef Alan, I'm going to receive the check from me for $4,000. And last but not least, we're going to Kyla, right here. Thank you so much. Kyla is here from the food bag, and she's going to receive the check from the food bag, but she also has a few words for us that she's going to share with us as well. Thank you, Kyla. This is for the food bag. We're grateful to raise $4,000.
As we continue to grow and as Calgary continues to grow, there is obviously a growing number of Calgarians that require food support. Currently right now, at our main distribution center, we're feeding over 800 families every single day. And then downtown, in December, we opened our Neoma branch, and that's feeding about 100 to 150 families. So this support will definitely go a long way. I want to say thank you so much for your long-term support. And thanks to all the sponsors, all the volunteers, and all the golfers. We truly appreciate it.